हेलो मेरे दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप। मैं शेफ़ नितिन जैन एनजे सिंपली कुलिनरी में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, रेसिपी नोट करिए और चलिए फिर आज की रेसिपी की ओर। सो इन बेसिक एडिशन टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक वाइट सॉस bechamel sauce which supposed to be make with the few ingredients: butter, flour, milk, bay leaf, shallots or onion, clove and black pepper. That's all. So let's start. So on medium heat we put the butter first. We have to be melted down. Then we have to be add flour to make a roux. Recipe is already in description box and the beginning of the video also as well. Ideally 1 liter of milk you can use equal quantity of butter and flour, which is 100 gram each. This butter and flour you have to be give little bit of blonde color, and that you have to be keep separately after cooking to cool it down. Friends, did you know the bechamel sauce was invented by the Duke Philippe de Mornay, and the bechamel sauce is a variation of the basic white sauce of Mornay. White sauce starting came from France only. It was first invented in 17th century, like 15th to 16th century it was just proposed and then invented. Now same again on medium heat we will boil the milk to club with your shallots, clove, black pepper and bay leaf. Clove you can insert into shallots or onion. Need to strain to remove that bay leaf, peppercorn and the shallots. You have to be keep a small quantity of cold milk separately to mix with the roux. This process we are doing because to avoid lumps. So this white sauce or bechamel sauce, it's called as a mother sauce also because you can make so many kind of derivative to produce different variety. Now this mixture we have to be pour into the boiled milk and mix it well. Slowly on the simmer heat, you will see that once that they start to cook, your sauce become thick. If you want to add nutmeg, you can add. In this recipe, I am adding 2 grams of nutmeg. For more smoothness, if now you require to strain it, you strain it. Otherwise, when you follow this process, that straining is not required because there is no as such big lumps. But if we found any kind of lumps, please strain it for the smooth sauce. I hope you understand and like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, comments, like and share. I am Chef Nitin Jain. Welcome you on my channel NJ Simply Culinary. We'll see you in my next edition, basic edition video. Till then, thanks.